Hello everyone, happy November 21st. Today we celebrate television, stuffing, and the joy of cozy traditions. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's World Television Day, a celebration of storytelling, connection, and screen time memories. A great gift could be a streaming gift card, a retro TV trivia game, or a cozy binge-watching kit. What's your all-time favorite show? Let's tune in below. Next, it's National Stuffing Day, a savory prelude to Thanksgiving feasts. A thoughtful gift could be a stuffing mix sampler, a holiday recipe card set, or a themed apron. Classic or creative stuffing? Let's dish in the comments.
Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later.
And finally, it's Gingerbread Cookie Day, a sweet and spicy kickoff to holiday baking. A sweet gift could be a cookie cutter set, a gingerbread house kit, or a festive baking playlist. What's your cookie decorating style? Let's sprinkle the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 16th to 20th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.